Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Convert 1 cents 25 L to ml, 1 cents 25 liters to milliliters. Correct answer is to convert 1 cents 25 liters to milliliters, we must consider that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, to convert 1 cents 25 liters to milliliters, we multiply 1 cents 25 by 1000. 1 cents 25 liter multiply 1000 milliliter by liter equal 1250 milliliter. Therefore 1 cents 25 liters is equal to 1250 milliliters.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.